Surveys say that one of the things that make people lose their confidence is hair loss. This is because many people cannot be confident in front and even around with others, knowing that these people are openly staring into his or her bald spots. Experts say that hair loss or baldness can be inevitable to people, especially if their families have a history of it. These people whose genes came from older generations who are prone to hair loss cannot really do much about it since the condition runs in their genes. But for those who don't have it in their genes and still lose so much hair, now is the time to worry. What causes hair loss? More and more people are becoming prone to hair loss because they don't pay much attention to the signs and symptoms of the condition. If you think you are prone to baldness, the first thing that you need to check, aside from the family's history of hair loss, is the number of strands of hair that you lose in a day. Although it is quite impossible to keep track to the exact number of strands, 100 will be noticeable if examined closely. Experts say that losing this amount of hair is normal because new strands of hair are expected to grow in 12 weeks. But if the amount is more than this, it is a must to consider what might cause it. The following are some of the common causes of hair loss. Although some of which can be self-determined, it is always best to consult an expert because he or she can pinpoint what exactly causes your baldness. 1. Diseases, illnesses and other medical conditions. This is one of the most common causes of hair loss. Diseases such as diabetes, lupus, or those that are associated with the thyroid glands can affect the growth and the overall production of hair in the person's system. 2. Taking in certain medications. The side effects of certain medications like those of isotretinoin and lithium and other diet pills that contain amphetamines are known to cause hair loss, especially among teens. People who are undergoing chemotherapy sessions to treat cancer, as well as those drugs for gout, depression, arthritis, and heart problems, may trigger baldness. In women, birth control pills may also be the culprit for hair loss. 3. Undernourishment or poor nutrition. People who have insufficient protein and iron in their bodies will most likely suffer from hair loss. This is because these two are the most important component that strengthens the hair to make it grow. Hair loss due to improper nutrition are more common among women because they are the ones who are more into fad and diets, which lead to eating disorders that cause undernutrition. Experts say that when a person has poor nutrition, there is not enough supply of nutrients such as vitamin and minerals to sustain the growth of the hair. 4. Undergoing medical treatments. People who have to undergo medical treatments such as chemotherapy and radiation therapies are getting more risks in losing their hair because these treatments can kill the hair from the roots and may even cause a condition called alopecia that can lead to permanent hair loss. Other causes of hair loss include hormonal changes, hair treatments and hairstyling, scalp infection, trichotillomania or hair pulling disorder, and disruption of the hair's growth cycle.